Alright, so we're now 4 minutes into the video and I still haven't seen what will happen to a theory test extension. So I'm sorry, I've had enough of that. Well, hello and welcome back. I've just seen this video title floating around now. This is the second time I've seen it, so I thought it's got to be time to watch it. Let's see how real this is. The title here, I don't know if you can see it, it's Theory Test Extension. This one's Will It Happen in 2021? The original one is DTC, Theory Test Extension Latest Update. So that one was 3 hours ago, then this one is 11 minutes ago. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of my guess of what this is going to be. And I've not seen any of these videos at all, as I say. All I've seen is a title, but it's a Theory Test Extension. Will it happen? I'm going to say no. This is going to be the beginning and the end of the video. It's going to start off, will theory test extension happen? The answer is no, theory test will not happen. Okay, that's my guess for a lowdown of a 10-second video. Let's see how long this video is. Okay, it's had 14 views, 2 likes, 8 minutes. Okay, so 8 minutes. Let's have a quick look, quick read through the, has it finally happened? Sorry, FM, you need to reread that, mate. During this coronavirus, all our driving test and theory test has been cancelled. What happens if theory test expires? All right, let's see. 8 minutes.
Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. In today's video, we're going to go through some of the latest driving theory tests. And you're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor. I myself am going to give you some insight into how to answer these questions. So let's go through it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So the first question is, what does tailgating mean? As I said, as a fully qualified driving instructor, let's see if I can get this right with you guys. Reversing into a parking space, following another vehicle too closely, driving with their rear fog lights on, using the rear door of a hatchback car. So I'm going to go for this one. Let's check the answers. Correct.
Well done, FM. You got a theory test question right, but why is that in a theory test extension? Information. I don't care. I'm skipping it. Skipping it. Why are you doing questions? I'm not interested in your questions. I just want to know, is a theory test extension going to happen like the title of the video says? Grey car, be aware of the uneven road surface, doors opening and the parking. Let's have a look. What should the driver of the grey car be especially aware of? Traffic following behind, the uneven road surface, empty parking spaces, doors opening on parked cars. Well, it's very close to the car, so that is a definite. Traffic flow behind, not so much. Good to be aware, but not an issue. Uneven road surface, again, shouldn't be an issue at all. Empty parking spaces. Well, if he wants to park, I guess that's one, but I guess the biggest hazard is doors opening on parked cars. So yeah, doors opening on parked cars, people are parked. Yeah. Yeah, I can read, but thank you. How does this have anything to do with the theory test being extended, FM?
Defensive driving. Okay, I'll come back to that in a bit because I can't think of anything off the top of my head right now. Let's just go to the next question. Alright.
Defensive driving is about not being an aggressive driver. It's about if someone pulls out on you or once starts revving their car out of traffic lights, you don't rev your car back, you don't try and race them, you don't even make eye contact with them, you pretend that they're not there and you act like a sensible person and just drive the car normally. You know, it's about not being competitive. It's about if someone pulls out on you, fine, they've pulled out on you, get on with your day, forget about it. It's about protecting yourself and protecting your passengers, and not trying to be in such a rush and, you know, do silly things like pull out on people. Footpaths are narrow, the view is restricted, the road surface is poor, the road markings are faint. Okay, well the view is very restricted. There's a building there, it's a closed junction, so it's going to be that one. Come on, let's speed up.
The view is really right.
Oh my goodness.
You cannot see.
I hope he's not going to go through all 50 questions.
Driver, forget being oh yes, I'm correct.
Oh, well done.
You may have to pull
well done, FM.
until you can see.
Bluetooth high five. Oh my goodness. 3 minutes 30 into the video, still no mention of driving test extension. Alright, so we're now 4 minutes into the video and I still haven't seen what will happen to a theory test extension. So I'm sorry, I've had enough of that. I'm actually going to go across to the other one. Let's have a look at this one. This has had nearly 800 views. Woo, 100 likes. Okay.
There is a current petition that has over 55.
Okay, so we're 19 seconds into the video, and DTC has already said, he's already talking straight to the point. There's a petition, yeah, that everyone knows about, theory tests. I like it.
5,000 signatures asking for the government to extend theory pass certificates which expired last year.
I like this new location as well. He's moved to the sofa from the office. Far nicer.
Or
Love the
going to
flowers.
expire this year. However, last week the DVSA replied to this petition by basically saying no, they are not going to extend it. I uploaded a video last week and I said, look, there is only one way to have the theory test certificate extended.
Very nice there. Advertised the video there as well. All in one. Well done.
And that is to write to needs
100,000 signatures. Yeah. Okay.
As I said, our petition has 55,000.
55,000. That's not too far
However,
off.
the good news is many of you did write to your local MPs. And as a result of you guys writing to the MPs has put pressure on the government to have a debate in Parliament. So, even though the petition has not reached its 100,000 signatures, the debate will take place.
MPs will debate extension of driving theory test certificates during the COVID-19 outbreak on Thursday, 28th of January in the main House of Commons chamber. This is an adjournment debate determined by the Speaker. Oh, this is very interesting. So because of the call to action to actually write to MPs, they are actually going to discuss this, even though there's not 100,000 signatures. That's quite an amazing achievement.
According
The
to
video is
House
4
of
minutes long.
Parliament,
What was I on about?
MPs will debate extension of the driving theory test certificates during the COVID outbreak on Thursday,
I love the
20th
crown.
of January in the main House of Commons chamber. This is an adjournment debate determined by the Speaker. An adjournment break is basically held at the end of the working day, so about
Your debate nearly just gave me epilepsy there, DTC. Just
5 p.m. So tomorrow evening, about 5 o'clock, the MPs will debate whether or not
tomorrow at
extend
5.
the
Ooh,
theory test certificate.
this is some hot news.
This is not a vote.
Oh, I like that. Subscribe.
It's just a little debate. It'll last for about half an hour. Now, those of you who have written to your MPs, those MPs then will have the opportunity to raise that issue with the government. Those of you who have not written to the MP, this is your last opportunity. Straight off this video.
Okay. So it's a call to action video. If you haven't already written to the MPs, get written in. If you're one of these people that is waiting for a driving test, but your theory is going to run out, he's absolutely right. This is your opportunity to get out there and get your theory test extended by writing to the MP.
You'll only get my information
if you
you're a
subscribe.
subscriber to the channel
Yeah, okay.
with the bell notification on.
Good.
So if you're not a subscriber, then now is the time to do so. So as I said, the video is coming up now.
Okay, so that's the end. Okay, so the video is 4 minutes long, 4 minute 30. Within the first 19 seconds, we went straight into the information about what the video title is actually about, extension for the theory test, and it was actually some interesting news, and it was a call to action. Really good video there. Again, I'm going to like it. I'm also going to comment. Another cracking video. I'm going to continue doing these videos as well. I think it's good to let you guys know what is actually accurate information. Stop wasting your time. Stop wasting my time. So, yeah, if you want to see more of this, like, subscribe. I'll see you all soon.